Hello friends, here's your directions for your Science World Photosynthesis menu assignment. I'm sorry that again I'm not there today. I miss you. I love you. I'll hopefully see you soon. So your assignment looks like this. I have written directions in here as well, but I'm just going to go over them in my video. So you're going to open up the attached menu. So it's right here, and it should make you your very own copy. And it asks you to start with doing 1 and 2. So everyone is going to read the article Champion of Trees first. So if you click on the picture, it will take you there to that link, okay? And you should be able to open it. Remember that you need to log in, and it looks like this, okay? After you read that article, then you need to do the worksheet called Changes in the Air, and that I have made for you right here. So you're actually going to open it in here. So I have the image of it here, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions to answer, okay? So after you do those 2 things, then it asks you to pick 2 of the 4 articles on the second part of the menu to read. So down here where it says pick 2 of these to do. So you can read Trees for Degrees, or Living Lamp, or Super Bloom, or Plant Power. Okay, so say that you choose to do trees for degrees. So first thing is you're going to have to go to the article, and it asks you to, look at the graph that goes with it and answer some questions, and you are just going to write the answer right there in that box. Okay, so same thing. Whichever 2 you pick, you read the article first, and then you answer the question right in this graphic organizer. Okie dokie, and then that is it. After you finish this assignment, I want you to go back and finish any work that you didn't finish the previous day you were at school this week. So if you didn't finish the light reactions reading with the 4 review questions that you write the answers to in your science notebook, if you didn't do the photosynthesis formula exit ticket, if you haven't finished the Science World Cute but Deadly slides and quiz, that's what you need to work on now. If you finished all of that, then you can do the extensions. They are on slide, I believe, 15 of this week's slideshow. And that should be it. That should be all assignments turned in. You're also going to be taking a quiz at the very end of class. Dun, dun, dun. You can use your notes, so make sure you keep your notebook handy for that. Okay, bye guys.